Let us continue today with our worksheet 1.1. In the last class and in the last video, we have successfully completed our second chapter, isn't it? Now, let us move to our worksheet application book A. Application book A and worksheet 1.1 for you. Okay, let us begin. First one is mark commas to separate the periods and write the number names of the following numbers according to Indian system of numeration. Actually, we have studied two kinds of system of numerations. What are they? Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Both are entirely different. So, let us study first Indian system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, our first period is called ones period. And ones period has how many digits? 3 digits. Okay, ones period has 3 digits. Secondly, we have thousands period. But in thousands period, there are 2 digits. Ones period has 3 digits. Teacher told you 3 digits. But secondly, thousands period has 2 digits. Then we have lakhs period. Lakhs period also has 2 digits. Then we have studied about crores period. And in crores period also how many digits we have? 2 digits. So, only in the first one we have 3 digits. For the remaining periods, we have 2 digits. So, they told us to put commas because without putting comma, we can't read and write the number properly. In order to write the number name and in order to read the number, what we need? We need place values, concept of place values. In order to get place values, what we want to do? Separate the numbers using commas. So let us begin with our extreme right side. Extreme right side. Then we can move to our left hand side. So teacher told you first period has how many digits? 3 digits. So count 1, 2, 3. Place a comma. After 3 digits from word to word, right to left. But when you are reading a number, we will reverse order. Left to right. But when you are placing comma, start from your right hand side. How many digits? 3. 1, 2, 3. Then teacher told you thousands period. How many digits? 2 digits. So count 1, 2, comma. Again thousands period has 2 digits again. 1, 2, place a comma. And the last 2 belongs to which one? Crores period. Finished. So marking commas has been finished. Then what they told us? Number name. So how to read? First you read this number together. Pairwise you read. 4, 9 together is 49. And this comma is for which one? Crores period, isn't it? But when we are reading a number or writing its number name, what we have to use? Singular form. So 49 crore enough. 49 crore. Then next one, 57. 57 lakh. Then 67,000. And the last 3 together you read it. How to read? 895. Finished. Okay. Next one, fourth question. Let us move to our fourth. So next let us move to fourth question. Actually there are 4 questions in A section. But teacher is doing only 2 questions. Remaining 2 as homework for you. Okay. Fourth question is also we have to mark commas according to Indian system. So teacher already explained Indian system of numeration. First 3 digits in ones period. Next 2 in thousands. Next 2 in lakhs. Last 2 in crores. So read it. This together 78 crore. Then 99 lakh. And here 09 we need to read only 9. 9,000. And this one is together 945. Finished. Next we are moving to same question but only change goes to the system of numeration. Here we have to consider mark commas according to international system of numeration and write the number names of the following numbers. So, as teacher told you, here also there are 4 questions, but teacher is answering only 2 questions. Remaining question as homework for you. Another thing is, in question itself you mark comma and there is a blank given, and if possible, write the number name on the blank given to you itself. Okay, let us begin. The question is 810976799 is given to us. We have to mark commas according to international system of numeration. International system of numeration means every period has 3 digits. Every period has 3 digits. First period is ones period. Ones period has 3 digits. Secondly, thousands period. But in previous case we have taken in thousands period 2 digits. But this is international system. So 1000 period also has 3 digits. And last one is millions period. Millions period also has 3 digits. Okay. Each period has 3 digits each. So let us begin from our right to left. Extreme right to left. So let us begin. 1, 2, 3. Place a comma. 1, 2, 3. Place a comma. Remaining numbers you leave. Okay. Finished. Now how to read? Read this together. 810 together how to read? 810. And value is, and the period is million. 810 million. And this is 976,000. And this is 799. Finished. Similarly, for those from your textbook. So teacher has written the number. Then we can start placing commas. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, comma. Then you read it together. 353 together is 353 million. International. So million. Next one is 554,000. Last one is 980. Okay. Any other doubt? Clear. Let us move to C question. Place value of underlined digit in the following numbers. So, teacher is taking only some questions. There are 6 questions. Teacher is doing only 3 questions from it. The first one is 3. 3 is given like this. 901136,549 is the given number. Among this one is underlined. There are 2 ones actually, but this one is underlined. We have to write its place value. So what you want to do is, this is a shortcut method for you. Those are interested can do the same. First teacher will explain shortcut, then direct one. Shortcut method is, which one is underlined? You write that underlined digit first. Which one is underlined? Underline that digit first. So here 1 is underlined. So teacher also wrote 1. Then after 1 to the right side. After 1, how many digits are coming? You circle it. How many digits are there? Circle. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits are there? 6 digits are there. So you write 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finished. This is the shortcut method. Direct method is, you count from your right side. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So what you have to write place value as? 10 lakh. Finished. Okay. Second question is 6512507111 is the number given to us. And 6 is underlined. What teacher told you shortcut method? Which one is underlined? Write that number first. 6 is underlined. So teacher wrote 6 first. After 6, you circle the digits. How many digits are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many digits are there? 8. So you add that much zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros teacher has added. 60 crore. When you are counting ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, this is crores and this is 10 crores. So 610 crore, that is 60 crores. Okay. Similarly, sixth question is 15, 0, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6 and 0 is underlined. When 0 is underlined, there is no need of writing how many zeros. Okay. Just want to write a single 0. Okay. Place value and face value of 0 is 0 itself. Okay. Next one, D question. Expanded form of the following. Expanded form, teacher is doing only one question. Remaining question you have to do yourself. Okay, teacher doesn't have space. That's fine. If you feel doubt, you can ask me. Remaining questions teacher will send you through photos. Okay, because that are all successor, predecessor, etc. Okay, it is very easy for you to answer. Okay. So, expanded form, second one is teacher is doing second one. 2 crore 65 lakh 37,891. Here teacher is representing this expanded form using words. For example, 2. 2 is in which place? Counting. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakhs, crores place. So teacher has written to us 2 crores. 2 crores plus. This is 6, 10 lakhs. 6 is in the place of 10 lakhs. So 6, 10 lakhs plus 5 lakhs. 3, 10,000. 3, 10,000. 7 thousands. 8 hundreds. 9 tens. 1 1. Okay. Any other doubt? Is it clear? Go through this one. If possible, answer it in your worksheet itself. With try to keep a sharpened pencil and eraser with you. Okay. So, you have studied throughout this video. You have got an idea how to read and write a number system. How to read and write a number according to Indian system of numeration. How to read and write a number according to international system of numeration. Then expanded form of a number and also place value of the underlying digits in the given numbers. Okay. Thank you. Follow it properly. Thank you all.